This video will show you how to use ClaroRead to read aloud from a Word document. Place the cursor at the start of the text and click the play button to begin reading aloud.
London is the capital and largest city of England and the United Kingdom, with a population of just under 9 million. It stands on the River Thames in southeast England at the head of a 50-mile.
Notice the text is highlighted blue as the content is read aloud. This makes it easy to follow the text as it is read aloud. To stop the read aloud function, just click on the stop button. You can also highlight a section of text to have it read aloud rather than the whole document. This could be a paragraph, a sentence, or even just one word.